Briefly, yes. Coverages are completely different on the private side than they are on the National Flood Insurance Program side. And excess technically is a private policy, because we've experienced this a lot with claims, is you can do a private policy, you could do a National Flood Insurance Program policy with an excess. In our personal experience though, what we have seen is the claims experience has been better on the private side, because how it works with the National Flood Insurance Program is you got to max out your coverages. When those are maxed out, then your excess policy kicks in. So now you're dealing really with 2 claims, 2 deductibles, and so it can just be a little more time consuming, but in many situations that's the only option you have, because a lot of private companies, unlike the National Flood Insurance Program, they're going to pick and choose what risk they want. Some companies, if you've ever had a claim on a property, not even you personally, maybe somebody had one 30 years ago, they still won't touch it. Just as I said, you're going to go to 250. If you get the option for excess and it's there, definitely what we generally do is we send customers a National Flood Insurance Program quote with excess, and we send them a private, and we explain the difference to them, and then we send them just the NFIP that just goes to 250, and then we send them a recommendation on what we recommend, because we want them to understand all the different options. Because excess can be very confusing in that area of, hey, is this private going to pull out? You know, what is the risk score? Or, you know, right now Lloyd's is getting really tight, not just on flood. I think anybody who's dealing in excess right now on any lines will understand that it's rough, isn't it? Our friends in Florida and Louisiana, I mean, I don't even know how they're still in business in some situations. And so those things are making things more challenging as well on that excess, because most of that excess is usually through Lloyd's of London or another reinsurer. And so there's a lot of reinsurers are challenging right now on funds and things like that, and it's making excess, you know, very difficult.